Everyone has their own must-haves when they're house hunting. Open concept layouts, large walk-in closets, no carpet in any of the bedrooms. Well, luckily for you today, this home has it all. We're going to be touring this brand new home right behind me that not only offers style and comfort, but a price that won't break the bank. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole.montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida, where I go all around the Sunshine State looking for the best new communities, renovated gems, and investment opportunities for you every single week. And today we're kicking this tour off right here in Ocala, Florida. To give you a bigger picture of where we are, we're only an hour and a half away from major cities such as Orlando and Tampa. We're less than an hour away from Gainesville and also 35 minutes south from downtown Ocala. You're about 10 minutes into Highway 200, which will direct you straight from downtown Ocala, which will have an amazing commercial center for your everyday needs. You're gonna have Aldi's, Publix, Starbucks, Target, Home Depot, and much more just minutes away. Not to mention, you'll also have all the hospitals and school systems really close by too. Now let's get this tour started right here on the driveway. I am standing in front of the home, which was built 2025, so completely brand new. This home was built with concrete block construction, so it'll ensure your safety when it comes storm season. Now, as we move towards the front of the home, you're gonna notice a nice modern exterior. You have a beautiful porch set up here, wonderful to watch the sunrise or sunset, and to enjoy a cup of coffee as well. You have big, beautiful, energy efficient windows that will not only bring in lots of natural light, but will keep your electrical bill low. Now let's go inside. All right, guys, entering the home, you're greeted with 10-foot ceilings and an open concept layout. Before we take a look at the rest of the home, I'm gonna give you a little bit of the rundown. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and sitting at 1,800 square feet of heated living. Right behind me is gonna be your 4th bedroom, which has a special guest bath as well included inside. There's gonna be luxury flooring throughout the entire home, so there's no carpet in any of the bedrooms. You have beautiful big windows that bring in so much natural light, but the builders already installed blinds for you at your convenience. You have a nice walk-in closet here and truly a really good guest bath, which has a quartz countertop vanity, nice tile flooring inside the bathroom, and tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Now from the guest suite, we're gonna take a look at your living room and your kitchen/dining area. As you can see, the living room is expansive and comfortable all at the same time. You have a really nice wall here, perfect for your TV, and you can set your couch facing that right over there. From this living room is gonna be your expansive dining room as well, so tons of space for entertaining. You have a beautiful area for a large table if you wish, or small and add a cabinet on this side for your fine china, bar cabinet, however you choose. From here, you're gonna have your kitchen, and the showstopper of this kitchen is this beautiful quartz waterfall island. You have additional seating right at the front for some bar stools, but nonetheless, a really good gourmet kitchen. You have 42-inch shaker-style cabinets with a soft close, and you have a nice backsplash that ties in all of the warmth of this home. You also have a nice walk-in pantry here and tons of storage underneath. You're gonna have stainless steel appliances and beautiful modern pendants as well. Now behind the kitchen, you're gonna have 2 more guest bedrooms and a shared bathroom. First is gonna be this bedroom over here. This is gonna be facing the backyard of your home, and it brings in all the natural light. You have a nice size built-in closet as well, and space for your queen size bed, or if you have twins, you can have one over here and the other bed right over here on this side. You have recessed lighting, so if you wanted to put a bedroom fan, you're able to do so as well. From this guest bedroom, let's go take a look at the other one down the hall. Before we get down there, you're gonna take a look at the guest shared bathroom. Again, this one has a dual tub and shower, but the tile stays the same in this bathroom. You have that ceramic tile that goes all the way up into the ceiling with the backsplash. a good quartz countertop vanity, and tile on the floor too. Now lastly, on this side of the home is gonna be the third bedroom with tons of space. This one faces the front of your home, so you definitely have a beautiful view when you're waking up in the morning. A lot of space for a queen or even a king size bed, and another built-in closet with tons of room. All right, now let's go take a look at your primary bedroom. Now down the hall from the kitchen is gonna be your primary bedroom, your laundry and garage access. Before we take a look at where you're gonna be resting at night, this is gonna be where you're gonna be washing your clothes every day. You have a washer and dryer hookup here and a shelf perfect for your laundry needs. From here is gonna be your 2-car garage that not only has your water heater, your electric panel, but also an outlet for your electric vehicle as well. An overall good sized garage with tons of parking space inside and outside. From here, let's go take a look at your primary bedroom. All right, this is gonna be your oasis, a nice comfortable space with tons of room to rest and relax. You have a lot of light coming in from the back windows here that face the backyard of your home, and this is where you're gonna be putting your TV. But an overall good space, and again, no carpet in any of the bedrooms. Inside of the primary bedroom is gonna be your ensuite bath as well. This one is consistent with the other 2 bathrooms where you're gonna have the tile that goes all the way up into the shower, but this one's a special treat because you also have a beautiful soak-in tub. Very nice to relax at the end of the day. You also have his and hers vanities here with a quartz countertop and lots of storage underneath. Plus, you'll have more storage on the opposite side with this beautiful linen closet here that's built in, and with a walk-in closet right behind me. You're also gonna have your private toilet room right here on the left. Now that wraps up the interior of the home. Let's go take a look at your backyard. All right, guys, outside is truly something special. You have a covered lanai here that's not only expansive, but really the start of where you're gonna have all the fun. You have tons of space here on a 1/4 acre lot, and with no HOA, you're able to do whatever you want. You can put a pool, a playground set for the kids, a gazebo, cornhole, truly anything you want to make your weekends in Florida a little bit more fun. Now that wraps up the exterior of the home. Let's go inside and wrap up today's tour. Thanks for watching, and if you like today's home tour, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this every single week. We just toured a beautiful brand new home here in Ocala, Florida that's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,800 square feet, and just under $350,000. Now, one thing that the builder wanted me to share is that they really try to embody positive energy and well-being into their homes. So when they're building, in the foundation, they engrave positive affirmations such as love, happiness, harmony, laughter, to really bring in that energy for you to move in. They blend comfort and connection in every detail of the home, which is something truly special. Again, I'm Nicole.montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. And if you're looking to move anywhere from Orlando, Ocala, or the surrounding areas, feel free to contact me in the description below. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.